Buying a home isn't just a huge financial purchase. You're selecting a new life, a new lifestyle. Even if you're just moving 2 blocks over, there's a lot to consider. A lot can go wrong. A home inspector that doesn't have the experience, attorneys that don't hit the timelines, that don't communicate properly, a lender that doesn't understand the importance of the timelines, their underwriter is inexperienced, they can't close in time because they're picking apart details that don't matter. You're going to be planning on closing on Friday and you're going to get a notice on Wednesday that this loan's not going to close. You're not closing Friday. We need another week and a half. This is bad news. You need a team that gets things done on time, every time. At the Star Home Team, we watch these details. We have vetted a team of highly skilled professionals that are overseeing this entire process for you. You have the best agents in this state. You have the best admin staff that are going to make sure that the lenders, the attorneys, the other agents hit their timelines and get things done. The people that we refer to you, they are working for you, not for us. We have vetted them so that they are going to take care of you, so that all of your timelines hit and you have a smooth, happy, and a fun experience. Buying a house should be fun. It's a big deal. Let's enjoy it.